Good morning, sir. Myself, I am Sangameshwar Reddy from ECEC section. Course name Analysis of Specialized Functions. Specific function. Hmm. My topic name is Exploring the expectation growth of entire solution of higher dismissal polynomials gaseous remains the equations. Introduction of Introduction to Cauchy remaining equations. Cauchy-Riemann equation is a circular path of complex analysis. In this particle, explore the asymptotic growth of analytic solution in the concept of higher dismissal polynomial forms. Understanding this equation is essential for advancement in a both theoretical and applied to mathematical understanding the entire solutions. Another topic, understanding the solutions entire solution and the functions that are entire solution that functions are mm, holomorphic polymorphic across the entire the complex plans. They plan is significantly roles in the study of Cauchy-Riemann equation. Cauchy-Riemann equation. This side, this side develops into the property side impact implementation to higher dismissal particular in the complex analysis. Asmopatic growth defines. Asmopatic growth defined. Asmopatic growth defines refers the behavior of function as they approach infinity in the concept of entire solution. It helps in understanding the rate at which this solution grows. This concept is proverbial in analyzing the complexity of solution to polynomial equation. Polynomial equation. Higher dismissal analysis. Higher dismissal analysis. The study of Cauchy-Riemann equation extend into the higher dismissal where the complexity increases significantly. In this slide, in this side, discuss how to behave to entire the solution changed and that mathematically tools are used to analyze this dismissal efficiently. Polynomial causes the Riemann equation, Cauchy-Riemann equation. The polynomial Cauchy-Riemann equation introduce the nonlinear aspects to the analyze the side. We will explore to the formulation of this equation and their significance in determining the growth of entire the solution in higher dismissal. Key theorem and results. Key theorem and results. Several key theorems grows to behalf of entire the solution. This side present important results. The iteration that asymptotic growth of this solution and there is a implementation higher the dismissal space higherly of critically finding in the field. Method of analysis. The various methods can be employed employed to the analyze to aesthetic behavior of entire the solution. This side discuss the technology such as series exploration, reducing theorem, and the number simulation to the provide to provide insights into the growth of partners to this solution. In the study of entire the solution has the application in several areas of mathematics, including the different differential equation complex dim- dimensions and the materials physics. In this side outlines how understanding the osmotic growth contributes to slow real world problems. Analyzing the entire solution in the higher dismissal parents unique the challenge such as computation complexity and the need of advanced mathematically tools. This side addressing these challenges and discuss the omega reaching amend at overcoming them. Case study. This study present notable case notable case study that amplifying the spomatic growth of entire solution in higher dismissal polynomial caches the Riemann equation. This example highly that particulation, implementation, and theoretical finding. Future research of directions. Research of directions. The future researchers in field is circular form understanding and underlining the principle of entire solution. In the slides outlines practically areas of exploring the including the new methodologic and underlining the approaches to enhance the understanding. The further research of in the direction. Future research in the field circular from for understanding the underlining the methods the principal solutions is sliding outline problem areas and enhance the understanding. Conclusion. In the conclusion, the exploration of osmotic growth osmotic growth of entire solutions in the higher dismissal, the polynomial Kazir-Riemann equation is both challenging the rewarding the conducting research in deeply our understanding and open the new awareness of mathematics and the applied the science. In the conclusion, in the conclusion, in conclusion, the exploring of asthmatic growth of entire the solution in higher dismissal, polynomial caches remains equation is both challenging and rewarding. To continue the research will be deepen our understanding and new awareness of mathematics is applied science. This is our topics. The understanding the entire solutions and astronomical growth define higher dismissal analysis, polynomial caches Riemann equation, key theorem and the result methods of analysis, and the case study. The future research of directions. Um, Future research of direction. The future research and direction also same topic points. And the explosion of the algebraic growth and the entire solution of higher dismissal polynomial causes the remains equations of both challenging the rewards continues to research the deeply understand the open new awareness of mathematics applied science. Thank you.